In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change captions language on Google Chrome. We'll walk through Chrome's caption settings so you know exactly where to find them and how to fine-tune how captions look. Along the way, I'll point out where language choice typically lives, because in most cases, the language itself is controlled by the website or video player, while Chrome helps you customize the style and readability. Start in Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the browser window. Click the three dots to open the main menu. This is where Chrome keeps all of its options, including the tools we need for accessibility and captions. From that menu, choose Settings. The settings page might look a little different depending on your device, but don't worry, everything we need is in the same general place. On the left side of the settings window, find and select Accessibility. This section is designed to make content easier to use and read, and it includes the controls for captions. Inside Accessibility, click Caption Preferences. When you open this, Chrome may take you to your device's system caption settings, which is normal. Many caption features are managed at the operating system level, so the style you pick can apply across websites and apps, not just in Chrome. Next, click Edit to start customizing. You'll see options that let you adjust how captions look so they're easier on your eyes and more readable in different lighting conditions. Now, click Font. This is where you can pick the typeface that best suits your reading comfort. A clean sans serif font often improves readability, especially on smaller screens or when captions are moving quickly. If you see a preview, use it to compare options before you commit. Choose the font you want and confirm your selection. Take a moment to play a video with captions to make sure the text is clear against the background. If the captions feel crowded or hard to read, come back and try a different font until it feels right. Depending on your device, you may also see additional appearance options like size, color, or background. If they're available, adjust them to increase contrast and reduce eye strain. A quick note about language. The steps you just followed control how captions look. The language of the captions usually comes from the website or the video player itself. Look for a CC or settings icon on the player to switch languages when they're offered. Some features like automatic captions may only support certain languages. That's it. You've reached Chrome's caption preferences, edited them, and chosen a font that works for you. Enjoy clearer, more comfortable captions as you browse.